Alright guys, so we got the 2021 Kia Stinger GT. This is full package, top of the line. Everything you guys can see has the Brembo brakes. I believe this is around 375 horsepower. Got twin dual exhaust. Twin dual exhaust. All-wheel drive. So yeah, we're gonna do a passenger video for you. Quick look inside. You guys can see you got the red perforated leather with the GT logo on the headrest. Very clean.
Wireless charge.
Very good. Take a quick look in the back. Big, how you feel in the back?
Pretty good back.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I did leg room.
Very
Heated
cool.
seats.
Heated in the back, yeah?
Yeah.
Very nice. Alright, let's get it on to this test drive. Alright, Darius, talk to me about this one real quick.
This car?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pretty nice car, man, actually. Makes this, that fucking Hyundai Sonata look like a fucking absolute piece of shit. For just a little bit more money, you know, 10,000.
So this is the V6?
Yeah, this is a twin turbo V6.
Okay.
It's the same motor as the Genesis G70. Oh, transmission is quick.
Yeah?
Transmission is quick. It's cool.
So this is manual mode?
Oh, there's no manual mode. I was trying to like, I said like complete manual mode.
You guys can see the console there.
I like the auto hold function. Okay. Brembo's squeezed pretty good.
Yeah. A quick look in the driver's seat. So as you can see, only 15 kilometers on this car. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. Oh, and another thing, you guys can see the sunroof. Pretty large, half of the roof.
No, this is a nice car though.
Yeah?
For real. It's very smooth, I think.
What do you rate this?
If I didn't know it was the best car of the year, I would put it up there with some Beamers, some Audis for sure.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Now, he was mentioning that this was designed by...
It's an Audi designer.
Right.
Here we go.
Okay, this is flat zero. Beautiful. Alright guys, that was 0 to 100. 2021 Kia GT full package. Alright guys, so this is a 2021. Quick look under the bonnet.